Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask, what is holding you back from making all those dreams come true? What can I help you with that can help put your life on that higher level? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure up and running, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote from the great Eric Thomas. When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. So just how bad do you want this then? Just how bad do you want to succeed with a dream that you're chasing? That moment and all that follows, where all you can do is think about it, dream about it, continually work your arse off for it, working towards it, that's when you know that you really do want it.